In this video I will discuss about how scrunchies became biggest trend in 2020. If you new here, consider to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next video. Late last year, my inclination for scrunchies began out of necessity. I needed something to pull my hair up and was tired of using regular hair ties, which were causing my hair to break off and fall out. Plus, I decided to get bangs last fall, and didn't love how my hair fell on my shoulders when it wasn't half up. So I started wearing black ones by Scrunchies that I stole from my mother, who buys them at CVS and wears them every night while washing her face. And so my love for scrunchies began. Now, almost a year later, I own so many scrunchies of so many different varieties that I've dedicated an entire dresser drawer to my collection. Each morning I enjoy nothing more than picking out one to match with my outfit, and I wear them so often that I even briefly added the phrase, "scrunchie enthusiast," to my Instagram bio. But most importantly, scrunchies are both a fun and easy accessory that serves a dual function in my life. They're a simple way to spruce up my outfits, and they keep my hair out of my face. I'm not the only one jumping back on the scrunchie bandwagon. They've been everywhere lately. First off, all of our favorite celebs have worn them, including Selena Gomez, Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid, Lizzo, and Ariana Grande, and even actor Jason Momoa has sported them on his wrist. Plus, in the third season of Stranger Things, which debuted in July 2019, main character Eleven was seen sporting a scrunchie in her hair during an iconic moment in the fourth episode, and the hair accessory is also a key element of the VSCO girl aesthetic, with VSCO girls wearing them all over TikTok in every color, in their hair and on their wrists. Then just last week, designer Mariam Nasserzadeh sent scrunchie scarves down the runway at New York, and back in July, the Armani Privé Fall 2019 couture showcased scrunchies for one's forehead. Meanwhile, I've also noticed scrunchie-like fashion taking over my Instagram feed, including a scrunchie that doubles as a tiny bag, bags with scrunchie-style handles, scrunchie headbands, and even scrunchie-inspired tops. Clearly scrunchies aren't going anywhere anytime soon, but why are they back again? Hallie Spradlin, an accessories director at trend forecasting agency Fashion Snoops, says the scrunchie comeback is part of the influx of nostalgic culture we've been seeing in the last few years. With all the television show reboots, movie remakes, band comebacks, Backstreet Boys, Spice Girls, the list goes on, and old-school fashion collabs, it's only natural that fashion would mirror the times. Trends are cyclical and always have some sort of cultural resonance, and we've already seen it in trends like baby tees and even before that for a brief while, jelly shoes, she says. Scrunchies seem to be the next wave of a comfort item that has an innocence and nostalgic attachment to it, especially for millennials and older Gen Z consumers. For these designers and myself, scrunchies aren't just hair accessories. In fact, they go deeper than that. Whether one chooses to wear one due to laziness, functionality, a desire to make a statement, or even an attempt to connect with their younger self, it seems scrunchies make our lives a little more enjoyable or easier, so really it's no wonder they're back full throttle. We truly can't wait to see where this trend will go next. Thanks for watching. If have any question about scrunchies, you can leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.